Welcome, guys. This is the journey towards the illustration of few collars and necklines and all. This is just the basic block which I have drawn to explain the collar, which is Peter Pan as it is called. And this collar can be done in various, styles. For example, the collar can be done with the jewel neck or the U neck, slightly U. And then you can also do this collar little bigger or from the shoulder point to the kind of the armhole. And sometimes this collar can also be worn in different shapes of the neck. For example, sometimes this is called as a flat, wherein it is attached to your body, and sometimes it is taken in the shape of a kind of a V neck slightly, and then the collar is done this way, giving the two-way partition. Also, the collar can have some kind of decoration, as we can call it, surface ornamentation, or the kind of lace. Sometimes if you want to make it more fancier, you can have the lace in it. Sometimes you can have, there can be anything, right from the plain fabric to the printed fabric for the collar for the designing purposes. You can also have a piping, a cord, anything that you want to do at the edges. So basically a Peter Pan collar, as the name says, is collar written, is a collar which is named after, I think, a movie character long back, which is some history related to the character played and the name of the character Peter Pan. It was there before also, but the name got its popularity from that character. And this is a collar which can be done not only to your blouses, your dresses, your kids wear, your adults wear. Everywhere this collar can be used. Rendering of few collars to have a better understanding. This can be a lace or a piping around that collar, and you can have the complementary look as well. You can have the collars in prints as well. So sometimes you can have the decorative collars onto your garments instead of the regular plain. There can be the little sharp ends or the kind of curved ends for the collar, you can see. And there are two types of collars into this Peter Pan. One is called as a curved one, the other can be called as a kind of flat. So the flat will be a little smaller and it will be touched to the body, whether it is small or not, but it will be touched, or it will not have any kind of folds. And the other one is generally called as a rolled collar. It will have a little upliftment from the garment. You can have a lacy collar as well. Lot of, like, you can use only the lace for the collar, and the rest garment can be in the plain combination. Sometimes when you change the collar to a smaller shape and you change the base neckline from U to V, then also this collar works equally in giving a more sophisticated look. As I said, you can have the checks and plates look also for the collar. Here we go with something with the checks look into the same Peter Pan collar. The base fabric can be equally white. There are lot many things which you can do with this collar, and the purpose of this collar is just not limited to the casual wear or the street wear. Anything, this collar serves a multi-purpose function, not only for your regular wear, your office wear, your party wear. With little enhancement of sequins and beads, it will definitely do wonders if you use this properly. So this collar is one of the current running collars. Everywhere you can find the variations, as I already told you, these many variations, and still more in terms of surface ornamentation. You can find this collar with little more deep or less deeper, and so on. So if you like this video, subscribe and comment so that we can bring out more detailed videos on different aspects of dressing. Thank you very much.